Yet again, another thing I've been talking about since high school. Listen to this.
The Earth may be hit with a solar storm so extreme that it would be harder for us to recover from than the top 10 natural disasters combined. 1859 was the last time that the Earth
Carrington
was hit
event.
by a solar superstorm called the Carrington event, and it
Yep.
was so intense that auroras could be seen as far south as Hawaii. Every 11 years, there is a higher amount of sunspots. These spots are caused by a larger concentration of these bands that you see here,
Coronal
which
mass
are the sun's
ejections.
magnetic field. And when those bands snap, it produces a solar flare. In 2012, yes, that 2012 where everything was predicted to end, such a solar flare missed us by a mere 9 days. But in 2025, the likelihood of it hitting us is much greater. If it did, it could destroy electrical grids all around the world and render satellites useless. So your cell phone, the internet, and electrical power for things like, electric cars and the majority of the planet's households and cities would cease to work for years to come.
See? Not saying it's going to happen, but I've been talking about solar flares or coronal mass ejections for, like I said, since high school. And every time, every time I mention the Carrington event, nobody knows what I'm talking about. I highly suggest people go and look it up. It's interesting, but also very frightening at the same time. Because again, imagine, imagine having our level of technology back when the Carrington event happened. It would be devastating.